What's up guys, PresleyYong here, back on our video. Today, Apple released the iPadOS 14.3 Beta 3 to the developers. Now, of course, Private Beta, maybe when I install it, they make a mistake. But this is the developer beta, it's not the Private Beta. You come soon to the Private Beta. So, iPadOS 14.3, Beta 3 and Beta 2, they actually released 2 weeks ago. This time they released Beta 3 because last week they didn't release anything because Thanksgiving Day, so they don't release anything. So we can jump to settings, and then when you go software update, you say it's 14.3, which is correct. And then when you go to about, you can see 14.3 is installed. Now we check the build number is 18C50618. Now this one is exactly the same version as iOS 14.3 Beta 3, which I will do it in another video. So when you can see the number is written there A, it means that we're getting close to the full version of iOS 14.3, which is not the GM version. This could be the GM version or maybe not, because if you want to go with Gold Master, it has to be without the letter A. So if that thing's removed and the new build numbers appear, then that's the real version of GM. So mostly they release the GM probably next week, and then next day they will just introduce to the public version. And now at this release, we're also hoping for iPadOS 14.2.2 or iOS 14.2, but it depends which one Apple will release. If iOS 14.2, then it's only for iPhone models. If it's iPadOS 14.2.2, then it's all iPad models that support iPadOS 14.0. Now in this iPadOS 14.3 Beta 3, there is no much of the huge updates in this iPad, because the 14.3 more focused on the iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max in the 14.3 update. I'll do that in another video. So yeah, but this stuff they actually give refinements like the battery issues, the start of everything stability. Now, of course, in the beta 2, some people has got problems like the battery drain issue, everything on their older iPad models. So right now, for me, I found there's nothing. Maybe it's only certain models that's got it, but the Pro version is not affected. So I don't know why. But right now it's running smooth and great overall. So yeah, that's about iPadOS 14.3 Beta 3, because there's not much about it. Yeah, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.